Welcome to Studentor, your smart AI mentor. You can log in with your email and password, or quickly create a new account if you're just starting. Creating an account is simple. Just enter your name, email, password, and age to get started. This is the home page, showing the free basic version. Students here get tools like a study planner, screen time tracker, syllabus organizer, and more. Let's look at each feature step by step. The screen time tracker shows daily, weekly, and monthly app usage. Green marks focus friendly time, while red flags distractions. The study planner helps students create timetables for normal days or during exams. It keeps study hours organized and stress-free. With goal setting, students can plan weekly, monthly, or yearly academic goals. Progress tracking makes it easier to stay on target. The syllabus organizer helps students manage chapters by subject. They can break things down for tests, midterms, or finals. 3-step learning adds learn, revise, and repeat checkboxes for every topic. Students can mark their progress as they study. Wellness reminders pop up to suggest water breaks, quick meditation, or short rests between study sessions. Voice-assisted alarms let students set custom timers. These alarms fit into daily routines and expire on their own. Motivational boosts provide daily quotes, rewards, and focus tips. A small push every day helps students stay consistent. A simple toggle button lets students move from the basic version to Pro or Elite. The Pro version offers premium features with a subscription. It adds tools like a smart study planner, syllabus scanner, exam reminders, personal calendar, and study analytics. Let's take a closer look at the features step by step. The Smart Study Planner creates custom timetables for normal, exam, or catch-up days. Students can even set them up with voice commands. With the Syllabus Scanner, just scan or upload your syllabus. The app instantly builds a clear subject checklist. Exam timetable reminders keep students prepared. They get alerts 3 days, 2 days, and 1 day before each exam. The personal calendar tracks exam dates, assignments, and projects. Helpful reminders reduce last-minute panic. Study analytics show a visual breakdown of study hours. Students can check their patterns by day, week, month, or year. The competitive exam mentor finds reliable resources for Olympiads and more. Just upload your syllabus, and the app searches for the best study material. All the basic features are also part of the Pro version. Nothing is left behind. The Elite version goes further with career-focused tools. From resumes to interviews, it prepares students for future opportunities with confidence. We'll explore every feature one by one. The AI Resume Builder creates strong, ATS-friendly resumes. Students only need to enter their details once. The Smart Cover Letter Generator makes writing applications stress-free. Just add the job profile, and the tool crafts a professional letter. The student-focused chatbot works like a personal study buddy. Elite users get more tokens, giving them extra access to support and practice. In interview practice mode, the chatbot becomes a virtual interviewer. Students can rehearse real conversations and build confidence. The practice paper generator makes custom papers in seconds. Students choose the subject, grade, and level of difficulty. The Elite version also includes every feature from both Basic and Pro. At the bottom of the app are 4 tabs: Home, Pricing, AI Chatbot, and Profile. The Pricing tab lets students compare plans easily. Here, students can view subscription details for Basic, Pro, and Elite. Both monthly and yearly options are available. The AI Chatbot is just one click away through the Ask tab. Students can talk to Andy, the chatbot, by typing, speaking, or uploading a file for instant help. The Profile tab takes students to their personal settings page. Here, they can update their profile photo or reset their password whenever needed. Students can also find app details and join the referral program through the profile page. With referrals, students save money. A friend joining Pro gives a 10% discount, while Elite gives 15%. More friends means more savings. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.